In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur the background on Capcut Mobile using your iPhone. This is a great way to make your videos look more professional and draw attention to the subject. Whether you're creating content for social media or just personal projects, adding a background blur can really make your footage stand out. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open Capcut on your iPhone. Once the app is open, go ahead and open your project. This could be a new project or an existing one. It's entirely up to you. Having your project ready will allow you to follow along as we apply a blur effect to the background. Once your project is open, the next step is to tap on Format, which you'll find at the bottom of your screen. This option is really useful, especially if you're planning to share your video on specific platforms. For most social media apps, you'll probably want to select the 9:16 aspect ratio, as it's the standard for vertical videos. Adjusting your aspect ratio ensures that your video will look just right on the platform you're targeting. With your aspect ratio set, it's time to add some effects. Tap on the Edit option and then select Effects. This will take you to a variety of effects that you can apply to your video. The effect we're interested in today is the blur effect. Sometimes navigation in these kinds of applications can be a bit overwhelming because of all the options available, but Capcut makes it pretty intuitive. Now search for blur background in the effects menu. It might take a moment to find, but once you do, you're almost there. This effect will blur the background while keeping the main subject in focus, creating that highly sought after professional look. After selecting the blur background effect, you'll have the flexibility to choose the type of blur you want to apply to your video. Capcut offers different types of blurs, each providing slightly different aesthetic results. You might want to experiment with a few of them to see which one fits your video best. Once you've chosen the type of blur, adjust the intensity to your liking. This is a critical step because the intensity will determine how much the background is blurred. Some videos benefit from a subtle blur, while others might look better with a more pronounced effect. Take a few moments to play around with these settings. Finally, when you're satisfied with how your video looks, it's time to save your work. Tap on Export to save your video with its beautiful new blurred background. This not only saves it to your device, but also ensures it's ready for sharing anywhere you'd like. And that's it, you've just learned how to blur the background in your videos using Capcut Mobile on your iPhone. Experiment with different effects and have fun creating high quality, professional looking videos. Thanks for watching and happy editing.